All right, guys, so we're here at the shop that we're gonna get our car fixed at. This is the spot here if you want to come pull up. He do be fixing on some quality cars as well as the regular cars, so double check. But we're gonna go ahead and have him look at the car. People always say, don't tell them what's wrong with your car, let them look at it. But I know what's wrong with my car, so I'll just let them know, this is what I think is the problem as far as just the battery dying, alternator. Boom. The pulley's making a sound too, so check that out. You use the Spanish to English translator app just to make sure everything's gonna, be translated properly. And other than that,